Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to mirror flip an image in Photoshop step by step. First of all, open your image, double click on image, crop is crop, then press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Again press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard, right click on your mouse, flip horizontal and apply place. Hold Ctrl, select two layer, press Ctrl J, hold Ctrl, click on the background, then align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.